Big J demolishing some trees that we've cut down. More over there by my truck, more in the back. And the best chainsaws ever made. 17, Super 34, the MS260, and the old 34 20-inch bar. The only name of saw you should buy right there. Still. Big J's gonna demonstrate.
And the elegant axe.
Yeah. He's gonna demonstrate how to split one of these big ass pieces of shit. Give her.
Done.
Big J.
Like my back tomorrow.
And Cameron, who always helps. My big ass truck we were winching out trucking logs with. And then the Ford had to come too. Ready?
Yep. Bring another one.